Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to apply fade in and out effects in CapCut on your PC. Let's begin by navigating to CapCut on your PC and opening the application. Once CapCut is open, start a new project. Now let's import a video to begin editing. Navigate to the Media tab and click on Import. Select the video you want to use from your PC and click Open. Drag the imported video onto the track at the bottom of the screen. Zoom in on the track for better visualization. Now, play the video to preview it. To apply the fade in effect, place the timeline at the starting point of the video. From the top right corner in the video basic settings, find the Blend Mode option and checkmark to enable it. Next, add a keyframe at the beginning of the video. Then, move the timeline to the ending point and add another keyframe. Go to the first keyframe and adjust the opacity setting of the first keyframe to 0. Now, play the video to see the fade in effect applied. Next, let's apply the fade out effect at the end of the video. Add 2 keyframes at different points towards the end of the video. Set the opacity of the second keyframe to 0. Now, play the video to preview the fade out effect. And that's it. This is how you can add fade in and out effects in CapCut on your PC. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.